Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Deal of the day 1 and 2 have been revealed. We got deal of the day 3. Deal of the day 3, 35% off all Central Machinery shop fans, and possible deal of the day 4. We'll look at all of them. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget deal of the day 1. That's today. 30% off all titanium welding products. Very nicely priced Vulcan 350-pound capacity welding cart. 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands for everyone now. Super coupon. And of course, deal of the day 2, some Predator generators. Really good deals. That's Saturday, 7/18 tomorrow. And then Sunday, July 19th. It's pretty straightforward. Deal of the day 3, 35% off all Central Machinery shop fans. So let's just do a little bit of a deep dive. Central Machinery shop fans. And in the picture, they're showing 4 different ones. Might be all the shop fans they have, but we'll look through them, starting with Central Machinery. 24-inch 2-speed high-velocity shop fan 150 compared to DeWalt. Dry carpets or ventilate large areas with a powerful shop fan. Now, these tend to be, in the last parking lot sales, 33% off? But we'll verify that. 4.7 out of 5 stars, 95% would recommend. Great fan, really big, spinning, round, turning really fastly, air blowy thingy. I don't think that comes with it. The Harbro's always great DIYers, cools, 20 by 40 shop. Rigged it up so it could be hung from a ceiling, or I can put it on the shop floor. Very nice garage fan. Dogs have upgraded comfort fans. Harbro Freight bucket, look at them. They all look so happy. That's a good boy. And at 35% off, it's going to be better than the 30% off. Yeah, these will be sub $100, right? $150 at 5% off, getting it down to $97.50. 93532 532. And it does show that the lowest price for this 24-inch high-velocity shop fan down to $99. So yeah, we've seen that in regular coupons, I guess, as ITC and in the parking lot sales, as my memory serves. So it's at its best price. It'll be down to $97.50, pretty close to the deals that normally happen, but still save an extra $2-ish bucks. So not a bad time, especially with this heat, to pick up some shop fans. Then we have the 30-inch 3-speed pedestal high-velocity fan. This is at $169.99. Commercial grade shop fan, provides high-velocity airflow for large areas. A lot of reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars, 96% as well. Great fan for garage or shop, 4 stars. They hung that pedestal upside down. Don't put the fan on a pedestal or the P. This thing blows in a good way. Got my attention. Moves a lot of air. Home garage, 5 stars. 110 degrees in Arizona and climbing. They've got a fan for their central heating unit. Excellent. Does that actually work? That's interesting. I guess it does have a fan in there. Great shop fan. Great addition to any shop. I've had mine for a couple of years. Just what I want. It's perfect. I custom painted mine to orange. Fan is extremely powerful. So again, great fan. What are the warranty on? Probably 90 days. 90 days from purchase. A little bit pricier for the pedestal. $170. 35% off. Get it down to $110. So decent deal. Let's look up 47755. This one has been as low as $100. This one has been quite often as low as $100. And if I recall correctly, also in the parking lot sale. So not the best deal for the Central Machinery 30-inch pedestal, but still a decent deal. $10 over its lowest price. And then we have the Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan, $60. This 3-speed high-velocity fan quietly directs air where it's needed most, making it ideal for ventilating large areas, home or job site. $60. Good deal there. 4.8 stars out of 5, 98%. So far, so good. The best. Nice. It runs loud, but it blows a lot of air. Oh my God, what a great fan in a small package. That's what she said. Awesome strong fan to cool or ventilate the garage or house. Bearing went out after a year or two. High velocity, not very durable. I don't know how they clip the blade. Cool air. Look at that. They put up of their hut, gazebo, whatever you call those. $60. And at 35% off, $39. 3-speed fan, $39. Sub $40. 57880. And it has been, but it's been a while. 2023, it did get down to $39.99. Normally on sale for $45. But we're gonna get it down to $39. So it'll match 2023 prices, which is good. We're expecting lowest price. That's what we want to see. So as long as it matches or is better, that's what we're looking for. So 40, just under 40 bucks for the 20-inch 3-speed high velocity fan. And then this is their brand new one. So this might be the best deal because it's the newest one. 150 Central Machinery 24-inch wall mount fan down to 150. Commercial grade fan mounts to the wall, delivering airflow up to 7,600 CFM without taking up floor space. And maybe that's what they were seeing in all the reviews, that everybody was mounting their ceiling fan or their fans. So they decided to make a wall mount fan, 24 inches, 150. I had a few reviews already. 4.9, 100%. And there you go, a mounted fan in a dance studio. 2 of these fans, 2,400 square foot dance floor. Create really nice cross breeze. Same dance studio. Serious overkill for my garage. I bought this on sale, priced fully knowing that this far exceeded what I needed in my garage. Made 0 cents to drop that amount of money. Moves air, a lot of air. One dude said it sounded like a turbo prop plane. It's interesting. Great fan so far. I've only had it a short time, about 3 weeks. So far, they're great. No issues. Put them on the wall in their shop. And there you go. 150. And at 35% off, getting it down to $97.50. Saving over $50 on these fans. Central Machinery 71403. I don't think there's going to be much history on this because it just came out. Brand new fan. And then last but not least, this is not in the picture. They've put them all in the picture. Shop fan. So maybe it's clear that it's only those 4 items. But there's a sneaky Central Machinery 8-inch portable ventilator. So maybe it's not a shop fan, but that's at 90 bucks. If someone wants to give it a shot, maybe they'll give you the 35% off. But they have 4 shop fans, 1 brand new one, and those are Deal of the Day 3. Deal of the Day 3, 35% off all Central Machinery shop fans. Best prices that they've been. And now I want to look at, and this is credit to a Reddit post as well, and they've been accurate so far. They're saying Deal of the Day 4 on Monday, July 20th, is going to be the Icon half-inch drive. 50 to 250 foot-pound professional click torque wrench down to $100, and then 35% off all Meguiar auto detailing supplies. So we'll wait for confirmation, but we'll look real quick at the Icon because we have torque wrenches on sale for the parking lot sale. This is the half-inch drive, 50 to 250 professional click torque wrench. It can be down to 90, so saving $50. Allegedly, again, we'll confirm when it comes out. Saving $50, that'll be 33% off. But our parking lot sale has torque wrenches at 30% off. I always have to double check it because they've been at 40% off in the past. They've dropped down to 30%. So 30% off, and I guess that makes sense. They want the deal of the days to be better than the parking lot sale potentially because they're only 1 day only. So it'll be 33% off for the Icon half-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound professional torque wrench. So if that's the one you want to get, we'll confirm. But deal of the day is the time to get it. And then 35% off all Meguiar's auto detailing supplies that we've seen in the past. We've seen 40% off, but it's down to 35% off, shrinkflation, whatever you want to call it. And that's pretty straightforward. We'll review that and what options to get when we get there and we confirm the day. But that's Deal of the Day 3, possible Deal of the Day 4. Harbros, let me know what you think. And I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.